Hi dear Aries, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is my teddy bear is coming in the video. 7 days, 7 oracle messages for all the Aries, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from 11 till the 17th of May 2026. Keep in mind these are general messages. This might or might not resonate, even if it is resonating 100% with you. Doesn't mean it's your personal reading. Just take the messages as the guidance only and use the messages wisely. Any kind of decision taken based on my readings is your responsibility, not mine or my channel's. For personal reading healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass, 2 links are given below. So let's start. The overall energy for Aries people for this week. Ooh, ooh. So we have this situation doesn't serve you. There is something that is not serving your life, your purpose anymore, and you guys have to release it. Release your attachment to the outcome. You might be waiting for certain kind of outcome to happen in your life, but you guys have to release the attachment to the outcome in order for that outcome to happen in a natural and organic way. Consider taking a more uplifting approach towards a particular situation in your life. You might be living in some kind of pessimistic or negative kind of energies regarding a situation, so consider taking a more uplifting approach towards a particular situation in your life. Okay, let's see the messages, per day messages. 11th, we have decision. Release yourself from that which holds you back. A need to detox unnecessary worry based on lack of self confidence. Okay, there's something that is holding you back in your life, Aries. You guys have to start releasing yourself from whatever is that's holding you back energetically, physically, emotionally. A need to detox, whether like literal detox or emotional or digital detox. You have to figure that out, honey. But there is a need to detox here. Unnecessary worry based on lack of self confidence. Whatever you are worried about is actually not that much of a dark situation to worry about. It's lack of self confidence that you might not be able to do something or achieve something. Okay, it's not the worry in itself. 12th of May, we have the page of Michael. It's my birthday on 12th of May. An exciting new challenge, something new challenging, something new is coming your way. An exciting new challenge is coming your way. You have what it takes to succeed. You have everything in yourself, in your like energies around you to succeed in your life. Review contracts or documents very thoroughly before you are going to sign any kind of contracts or documents. Before you are going to make any kind of life changing decisions, review all the pros and cons and terms and conditions and everything about that situation. Okay, don't be in any kind of rush or hurry while taking any kind of life changing decisions. Okay, we have 11th, 12th, 13th of May, we have the page of Gabriel. Follow your passion, follow your heart. Now the time has come for you guys to take the action in a particular direction. You are ready for any challenge, any kind of obstacles or challenges that is going to be on your path. You will be able to manage it and handle it. Opportunities for excitement and adventures. You guys are going to get beautiful opportunities for excitement and adventure in the coming future. Okay, so we have 11, 12, 13. 14th, we have the 7 of Gabriel. Stand up for what you believe in. If you're not going to take a stand for yourself, Aries, nobody else is going to do that for you. So you have to take a stand for what you believe in. Okay, have confidence, have faith. The universe is also going to help those who help themselves. Claim your personal power. Sit in your power, claim your power, and have confidence that you can achieve anything by your confidence, by your own inner power. My goodness, what is this? I have become a child again. 11, 12, 13, 14. 15th of May, we have the Epiphany. Joy through spiritual growth. Some kind of spiritual growth is happening here, especially if you guys are consciously working on your spirituality, on your spiritual growth. There is a lot of happiness coming your way. Be a light to others. If you guys can guide others, if you guys can help others to achieve something really beautiful in their lives, so if you guys can help others to heal, do that. Answers that come through meditation. You are going to get a lot of answers in your meditation, during your meditation, like in silence. If you are looking for, searching for some kind of answers, you guys will be able to get that through your meditation. Okay, so we have 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 16th, we have the Lovers. Make choices from your heart. Deeply emotional commitments, the power of love. Okay, this day is all about connecting with your heart, and handling the issues related to your heart and soul. Deeply emotional commitments are coming, either it's with yourself or with somebody else, or maybe your connection with your spouse or your partner is going to become really beautiful. The power of love, it's like the power of love is not lust, not obsession, possession, or treating the other person as a property or something. It's like the power of unconditional love that you're going to feel towards yourself or maybe other people around you. So we have 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 17th of May, we have the King of Raphael. Yes, it is safe to trust. You might not be able to trust yourself or trust the divine or trust the process in some way. Now the time has come for you guys to understand. Now it's time, it's safe to trust. The ability to accomplish many things at once. You guys are going to have that energy and that much effort and timings to accomplish many things at once. Follow your creative passions, follow your heart, and follow your creative passions, and you guys are going to feel a load of happiness, contentment, and peaceful kind of energies around you. Okay, that's really good. Let's see the final message for you guys, Aries, for this week. Come on, sweetie. Sometimes the cards just doesn't want to buzz in. Let's see. Knight of Ariel, there is so much to accomplish. Make a very detailed plan, being watched over by someone kind. There is so much to accomplish in a particular area of your life. Have a proper plan and strategy. Don't be in this energy of running in all the directions and getting nothing. Okay, so have a proper plan and strategy if you want to achieve something really meaningful and if you're really serious about it. Being watched over by someone kind, somebody kind is watching you. When the timing is going to be right for them to enter in your space, they will enter in your space and they will help you as much as they can from their side. So there is help around you, there is beautiful and positive energy around you that's watching you, that's getting impressed by you. So choose wisely, work wisely. Cool. So thank you so much for tuning in, Aries. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.